I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain. Make me feel so great, make me feel so great, yeah. I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain. Put them diamonds in my chain, won't take the pain away. I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain. Make me feel so great, make me feel so great.
I love the sound of bacon. And the smell too.
But I can see past the blight. These are blemishes and small face. The overall picture bigger enough. But in this world we crush material we love to still what? I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. The flash from the bright lights and cars high. These things make you feel good to have them. And these things are like women. There's always one somewhere. Better keep your eyes on the prize and focus on the rise of the skies. Cause the clock ticking, time don't rewind. I stay in the cockpit with my eyes open wide. Cause I can't take none of this when it's time for me to die. I thank God of my life, I resurrected myself musically so you can see that I arrived. I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put some diamonds in my chain.
And with these turkey burgers, we're just doing like a medium heat. And we're just flipping them over every 5 minutes. You know, everybody's preference is different, but as for me, I'm doing every 5 minutes.
It's not my ego to help me move the needle. I'm on top now, bitch, I'm like the steeple. Church, please come pray for him. Cause I ain't got shit here to say to him. Scientifically, only my DNA can make something sound so gifted. See, I put the words to the beat. It's just that simple. The soundtrack of my life is me. I let you hear the important shit. I had a rough past, my tears unsupported this. It's not a rough draft, one shot, one chance. But everybody want the finer things and I just want to be a superstar. See, I just want to drop the top off. And I just want to ball real hard. But it won't mean shit when I'm gone. But I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain. Make me feel so great, make me feel so great, yeah. I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is just a little something I wanted to share with you guys. As you can see, we have our bacon, we have our lettuce, our tomatoes, our onions. I threw some mushrooms in there, and I believe I threw Gouda cheese. Gouda cheese, I believe that's how you pronounce it. I could never pronounce that word. But anyway, this is going to be amazing. So I wanted to share this with you guys. I was craving a burger, and here we go right here. This looks amazing. It's gonna taste amazing and all that other good stuff. So I just wanted to say thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you like this video, push that button, subscribe to the Kool Zone. I love you guys. So much more to come. Thank you for watching this video. Kool Zone out. And yes, it is going to be amazing.
I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain. Put them diamonds in my chain, won't take the pain away.